So let's go take a look at the lubridate package for a little bit. So the lubridate package is one of several date processing add-on packages available for R. It provides more intuitive handling of date and time values compared to the built-in date object and the POSIX-CD class. Now to install a package is pretty straightforward. We had several lessons on how to do that before, but the basic steps to install an R package are you select the packages, you select packages from the menu, and this is for the R console, not R Studio. / install packages, you select the closest download site, you choose the package you want to load, in this case lubridate. You select packages, install packages from local zip files, you select the directory in which the package was downloaded, you select the package zip file, and you're good to go. Now, the only caveat is that you do have to first load the package into your current R session in order for the package to be usable. So you have to use the command library lubridate to load the package into the current session. Every time you exit R, any packages you've loaded become automatically uninstalled, and you have to reinstall them the next time you come in. Of course, this is best done inside a script, or perhaps even inside a function. Now let's go take a closer look at the lubridate package itself. So the lubridate package has numerous functions for creating date and time objects that do not require a parse format string. So for example, you can say ymd_hms. So the function ymd_hms takes the year as year, month, day, and then hours, minutes, seconds. Or you can say mdyhm for month, day, year, followed by hours and minutes. Or dmyhm, day, month, year, followed by hours and minutes. So instead of having format strings, you simply have a set of functions that do that for you. So they're really just wrappers around the parsing functions that may make life a little bit easier for you. I personally prefer the parsing strings because I think it's more extensive and more general, but it is often error prone if you get any sort of differences in the parse string. You can also use the functions year, wday for weekday, hour, and tz to extract the various date and time components of a lubridate date object. You can also update date and time components of a POSIX-CT object using lubridate. Here's some examples for that. So for example, you can say year of some lubridate time object 2013. That actually changes the year of that. It's a very interesting way of helping you update it versus having to break a string apart and reparse it. You can also convert to decimal time. Here's an example of that. Lubridate, and then you basically just use hour, minute, and second to divide this by a decimal date, or to create a decimal date for this. So the key is that lubridate really gives you a lot of functionality to go beyond simple date processing. If you need more sophisticated date processing, look at the lubridate functions and the lubridate package manual to help you figure out exactly what functions lubridate provides. So to summarize lesson 3, in this lesson you learned that dates and times are an important data value in R, that R has built-in functions to deal with dates and times, but that several packages are available to ease date and time processing, and that external packages must be downloaded and installed before they can be loaded.